I'm Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. So today we have Marsha with us, and we are going to show you her color and her cut. She has fine hair. The texture is fine, so this is a super good haircut for fine hair. It's darling when we ram brush it. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so back here, she likes to keep it about this length. We're just going to even this up. You can see that it just needs to be evened a tiny bit here. Just going to even these bottoms up. Okay, I'm going to bring this side, just comb it down. Take those little ends. Okay, and then you're going to tilt the head, and you can see how her chin is just normal there. It's not way down or up. It's just straight. That's definitely what you want. Like I've said before, if their chin is all the way down, you trim that or cut it and they come back up, it's gonna be shorter in the front. So yeah, you just wanna make sure that that's even. Then you put their head back down to do the back.
Oh my, what's it?
Oh, Marsha's wanted. That's great. I like your ringtone, that's nice.
I like yours better.
Oh yeah, Mario Bros, huh?
Yeah,
Love
awesome.
it,
Yeah.
so funny. And then make sure again that the chin is even. Anyway, then you're just gonna take that and trim those sides. Okay. All right, now what we're gonna do is come up here on the top. And your layers are good just to trim up, right? Do you feel like they need to be shorter, or are they good?
It feels pretty
Pretty
good.
good,
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, just kind of talk with your client, see how it's going, if they need to be shorter or not. I'm gonna do a 90-degree angle on her layers, which means just pull it straight out from her head. Just trim up the layers that she has here. Oh man, I wish that was your mom. We could put her on speaker for everyone.
Yeah. Oh boy, yeah.
Her mom, you guys, hilarious. She's what, 90?
She'll be 92.
92, and
Yes.
she acts like she's 50. She is the cutest thing alive.
She is a spitfire.
She is, I love it. Love it, love it. Yeah, the one day she had called when Marsha was here, and Marsha had put it on speaker, and oh man, she was just talking up a storm. It was awesome. Me and my clients just laughed and laughed.
She doesn't hold back, that's for sure.
Yeah, she doesn't, but that's what I love. I mean, she's just her, and
when you're 92, I guess you can say and do anything you want.
that's right, absolutely. Hey, that's why she's lived that long.
She's a lot of fun for sure.
I love that.
And I go down and see her, and she always tells me, your hair looks so good. It looks like you have so much more hair than you do.
That's awesome. Good. I'm so glad.
I love your color. I love your hair. She always tells me that.
I love that. This color on you, though, it does. It suits you so well. And it's fun. Sometimes we'll add more red in. Sometimes a little blonde. We kind of change it up a little bit here and there. She'll say, I'm liking the red, or let's add a little more red, or just depends, huh? Yep.
Depends on
or let's brighten it a little,
say,
or
I think I like redheads this time, this month, or whatever.
yeah, this time it's more red, so I like redheads this month. Or if we go more blonde, maybe he'll like it a little more blonde.
Yeah, it just can change.
Love it, love it, love it. Okay, now after I hold that up, I'm going to do the 90-degree on her layers that go out to the side. So I'm gonna hold this straight out. You can see I'm just coming up this side to the top. And then I'll take all of this front area. Okay, perfect. Now this, same thing. Hold this, trim that, and then come up 90-degree angle. And you can see that. I want to show you guys. You can see that's that top layer. And when you hold that up, just trim off that little corner there. Okay, sweet. Now, Marsha, we dry her hair this way. So we like to take these bangs just a little bit shorter through this area. And then she likes it fun around her face, to frame her face a little bit. And that way, it's cute with those layers. Doesn't feel like it's hanging. Especially when you have fine hair. To have those layers around the face and stuff, it just adds. Definitely adds to the style, doesn't it, Marsha?
Yes, indeed. It does. Give it a little flare.
Yep, exactly. A
Stitch.
little bit of spunk through there. One of these days when she goes real short and spunky, we'll get that video too.
I'm gonna do it.
Her attitude and her personality is so much flippin' fun that she definitely could have a fun,
I need a wash and wear.
spunky.
Wash and wear. This is kind of.
This is. I do love this. So she
This is, but,
she owns a
you know.
cabin and a boat. They go down boating and
Yeah.
she's on the boat all the time. And I just love that she can just, in fact, her husband likes it when she just kind of
Messy.
mess it. Yep, she just messes it up and kind of dries it a little. That's the way your husband likes it. He doesn't love, I mean, he still likes it, but he
Yeah.
would rather her just,
Wild and crazy.
yeah,
That's
wild
what
and
he likes.
crazy. Yep. Not like set. And so I'm just taking these texturizing shears through the bang area up about 1 inch in. And what that does is that just cuts little hairs in there and gives it some volume. And just a little bit, not too much. All right, so for styling, we're gonna use a little bit of the mousse. And then the volume and lift spray, I'm gonna spray this through. This helps it feel and look thicker. It smells so good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what we're gonna do is blow dry. So the back, I'm just gonna come back and forth. You can kind of see I'm going up a little bit on the blow drying around this area. Get down on the rest. Okay, you guys, so you can see I just round brushed her hair. I've just taken sections. I just started round brushing it when it's about 80% dry. So you still want it a little damp, obviously. But this cut is so stinking cute. So you can see she has a bang off to the side a little bit. Not short, not long, just kind of piecey there. Darling around her face. We love to keep the curl in it. We don't want to flat iron it. We love to have the little bit of movement in there. So I'm gonna hold this up here and I'm gonna back comb, and I kind of go in, down, and out, and then spray where I back comb. Same thing, in, down, and out. I go down about 3 different layers. You can decide, you know, on your hair, like say down here you need a little bit more, go 4 little layers, you know, whatever. However you feel is best for your hair and how big you want your hair. Marsha and I like big hair.
Well, I'm bald in a lot of places, so she makes it look like I have hair.
Yeah, see?
Everywhere.
It really is. It's like, it's crazy how much hair, especially with this cut, it's awesome. Okay, so same thing up here. Just hold those straight up and back comb. Then I'm gonna spray. up through here. Back combing. And it's so cute. I should show you guys this. You can see her red in there, the blonde. You can see the light brown through the root. See, so that way you don't have any lines when it grows out. It's just very subtle. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. And I rip her hair out. Just kidding.
And,
Okay, now I'm gonna turn her to the mirror. What's that,
and
sweetie?
then I don't have, I mean, for 2 days, I don't have to do anything to my hair.
See,
I
that
have to do
is the
anything.
best,
I just
right?
go, yeah, I get up, yep, ta-da.
Ta-da.
I'm brand new.
Ta-da.
I'm brand spanking new. Look at
Yeah,
that. That's
gotcha.
awesome.
She's ready to go to the,
I'm ready. I'm
the
ready.
lake.
Absolutely. I'm ready
So
for
fun to
anything.
do it. Yeah, she's ready for anything now, not just the lake.
Can go anywhere. Yeah, absolutely.
So cute. I love it. Oh, Marsha, I love you. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
I love you. Thank
for,
you.
You bet. And letting us see your darling, darling hair.
I'm so glad I found you.
Thanks. Me too. It's the best. So.
Yeah, I drive an hour and a half to have my hair done.
So awesome. Anyway, so thank you. Thank you for taking the time. If you guys haven't subscribed, I'd love you to push the button subscribe. And I appreciate all of you that have subscribed and supported me. And I'm getting to know all of you, and it's super fun. So thanks again for your support. And I hope you loved Marsha's video. So
She's the
have
best
a good
ever.
day. Thank you. Okay, see you guys.